Okay, what are you using to treat melasma? In this video, you will learn why azelaic acid may be helpful for fading those patches of pigmentation on your skin. You will also find out the benefit, the risk, and of course, how can you introduce it or how you can use it in your skincare routine. Hi, I'm Elaine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so if you have melasma, let me tell you, you are not alone. Just please know that this condition is just dark patches on your skin. You may have heard it called cloasma or the mask of pregnancy, since it tends to happen to pregnant women. Of course, melasma does happen to men, but it's far more common for women. Usually, it occurs with matching marks on both sides of your face. That being said, it can happen to other areas of your skin that are often exposed to the sun. Listen, there is no need for you to worry if you have melasma because it is harmless. No one is completely sure what causes melasma, but what we do know is that if you have a darker skin complexion, you have like a greater risk than people with a fair complexion. Melasma is linked to estrogen and progesterone sensitivity. So pregnancy, birth control pills, and hormone therapy can trigger melasma. But also other conditions like thyroid disease, stress, birth control, antibiotics, blood pressure medications, and some retinoids may be to blame. It is believed that melasma develops when your skin cells are triggered into a state of overdrive. Sunlight, which is known to produce more melanin, is a trigger that you can protect yourself from. And of course, avoid tanning beds because, some of them have very strong UV rays. I mean, nobody uses tanning beds anymore, right? Like, sounds like so 90s. No? Anyway, you can treat melasma and you can make it, fade away, but there is no cure. It can come back after you treat it if you don't keep up with the right ingredients in your skincare routine. Even though, it doesn't do any physical harm to you, I believe melasma may make you feel less confident in your appearance. By the way, I have a video on confidence when dealing with skin issues, so maybe you can consider going and watching this video after this one. The good news is that we have azelaic acid, and it can help you improve your melasma. Actually, azelaic acid may just become your new go-to ingredient to effectively treat melasma. It's considered safe and works as well as hydroquinone with those, side effects of redness and dryness. Some people, though, may say that when they start using the acid, they will experience some sort of, burning, tingling, the skin can start peeling, and there is even some dryness, but it's normal. It's your skin that starts, to getting used to the acid. That being said, if you think that you are allergic, just stop using it. Go to your doctor, right? Like common sense. Now, let me tell you, azelaic acid does thin your skin, just a little bit. So it's important for you to remember to protect yourself from the sun. So you have to use some sunscreen during daylight hours. Otherwise, you will end up with more sunspots and sun damage to correct. You don't want that. So when your skin is healthy, azelaic acid is the dicarboxylic acid that naturally produces. In skincare, though, the acid is usually made in a lab to keep it stable and effective. In nature, you can find it in grains like wheat, rye, and barley. I would say that azelaic acid is kind of resembles to salicylic acid because it will unclog your pores, it will clear your skin, it will help your skin cell turnover process. So to put it more scientifically, azelaic acid is both antiseptic and keratolytic, which means it will exfoliate your skin and prevent it from developing blemishes. Honestly, there's a lot of things that azelaic acid can do for your skin. It will tame inflammation, it will soothe irritation, it will help you deal with dead skin cells, it will fade hyperpigmentation, it will encourage your cell turnover. What else? It has antioxidant benefits. It's very good for your skin, and if you have melasma, you should give it a try. So, for best results, you will probably want to use it twice a day, and believe me, you can work it easily into your routine too, no problem. Just, start by washing your face as you normally would with any cleanser that is specific for your skin type. After, patting your skin dry, just apply some toner and then your serum. For your daytime routine, don't forget to follow with sunscreen. And yes, you can even apply makeup with azelaic acid on by day. No problem. Which azelaic acid products should you try? Well, first, you should bring any questions or concerns to your dermatologist. I mean, in severe cases, you can get a prescription formulation. That being said, there are a number of great options that are available over the counter. They do have lower concentrations, but they are still effective at fading melasma away. Plenty of people rave about the ordinary azelaic acid suspension 10%. This serum gets right to the source with a high concentration that will give you results like what is called hydroquinone, because it has 10%, so it's very strong. Another over-the-counter product with 10% concentration of azelaic acid is Paula's Choice 10% azelaic acid booster. It works wonders to brighten up your skin, fading away those dark spots and creating an even skin tone. Because it's non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic, it's pretty well tolerated by most people. One of my favorites though is SkinCeuticals Phyto A Brightening Treatment. It has only 3% azelaic acid, but it has 2% of arbutin, which is an extract from the bearberry plant that prevents the formation of melanin. And I think this is a gorgeous, beautiful combination, so you should give it a try. Listen, azelaic acid is a great choice for treating melasma. It's as effective as hydroquinone without the same nasty side effects. Again, most people can tolerate it very well. If you start using azelaic acid, you can expect to see a healthier skin and fewer breakouts and inflammation. What else? A renewed brightness in your skin, an even skin tone, and you are going to see a healthy skin cell renewal. And of course, you should start seeing your melasma fade away. To keep it from happening again, you will have to do your part and protect your skin from the sun. I already told you this, but it's very important. Listen, with azelaic acid, you may find the key to restoring your confidence without having to cover up your skin with makeup. Whatever your condition, melasma or no melasma, remember that you are gorgeous, beautiful, so feel amazing in your own skin. Now what? Well, I'm glad you're asking. Go to my website beautybycode.com and take the quiz. You will find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Thank you very much for being here with me. I appreciate you. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and that's it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.